Hello everyone, it's Seti, and we're going to be talking about Netflix. We have had exceptionally disappointing user growth coming out, and the stock has corrected 10%, which means that if you're looking for an opportunity to buy Netflix, now might be a good time. Unfortunately, guys, this news is real. So the correction is actually based on something, and it's not just kind of a fake news correction. So we need to get into what exactly is happening with Netflix. And after that, you can make your own decision if now is a nice opportunity to buy Netflix, or if maybe really the stock has been corrected to where it should have been priced before. Let's get into it and see what's happening with the user growth. So, quick bullet points. Netflix corrects as shares fall more than 10% after hours because they released their earnings right after the hours. Netflix projects just 1 million new paid net additions for quarter 2 of 2021. Netflix claims that growth will re-accelerate in the second half of the year. I'm a little bit skeptical. And the average revenue per user has risen in all regions of the world. That's at least one bit of positive news. But let's compare what 1 million new paid subscribers in Q2 of 2021 actually compares to the other kind of quarters. Netflix announced that in the quarter 1 of 2021, they added just below 4 million subscribers, which missed the forecast of 6 million new additions, right? So they came out with 2 million less new users growth than they had predicted. And on top of that, they came out and said that they expected just 1 million new subscribers for the second quarter. And to compare that, last year, so quarter 2 of 2020, they added 10 million subscribers. So that's 1/10 of what they did last year. That's minus 90% user growth year over year if you want to compare the quarter to each other. And last year, Netflix benefited from a surge of demand in the first 6 months of the pandemic. So that's over 2 quarters, let's say, where they added almost 26 million subscribers in the first 6 months of 2020. Now, obviously, they didn't see those gains coming. And, well, unfortunately, because they had a huge growth of subscribers, they didn't really see that, okay, maybe these were all people who otherwise were thinking about buying Netflix, but were on the fence, and now they kind of push them, but we would have gotten these subscribers in the long run anyway. Well, now, basically, you have a bunch of subscribers which got brought forward and who bought earlier than expected, which leaves less potential customers overall, which means that in future quarters, well, you might see the subscriber growth of Netflix actually continue to stay down dramatically for at least the whole year, right? If next quarter they're predicting, well, only 1 million user growth, that's very, very low. Remember, first half of 2020, 26 million new subscribers. Now, that said, these companies are very, very intelligent, and they do not just give guidance without any reason behind it. So it is possible, and this is just a theory, okay? But it is possible that they are purposely saying, hey, next quarter we're going to get way, way less subscribers to kind of prepare everyone for a worst case scenario. But they know already that, hey, we're actually going to blow past that guidance. So on the moment that we do release our numbers, we're going to see a huge jump in the stock price again, because we underreported our guidance, right? So it looks like we beat our target by a bunch, but in reality, we just set the expectations much lower than they should have been. So I think that might be what's happening here a little bit, because 1 million new subscribers is really very, very, very low. Let's go ahead and check out the actual stock price and see what's happened to it after hours on this devastating news. As we see here, we have had a huge dip from approximately, and I'll just, approximately here, all the way down here, which was a 13% drop, right? 12.5% drop from approximately $550 to $580. Well, we have kind of gone a little bit back up in the after hours, and we are now down, let's say only, but that's huge for a stock of this size, 8.5% from $550 to $500, which is where you were at the end of March. And you know, Netflix does seem to have been trading in this range for a while. So if you would like to reduce your cost basis on Netflix, now might be a nice time to do that, since this drop is probably because of them underreporting their future guidance on purpose, so that they can then say, hey guys, look at how well we did. We completely beat our expectations, when really they're just setting the expectations far too low. So I do think that this might be a nice opportunity to get some Netflix on the cheap. This is a very quick video, probably one of the quickest videos I've made on this channel. So if you learned something new today and you got smarter, please make sure to smash up that subscribe button to get me to 140 subscribers. That would be insane. And as well, if you could please smash the like button too for the YouTube algorithm, so that this gets pushed to more people. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks guys, take care. Bye bye. Remember to do your own research, and if this isn't financial advice, please do your own research. Bye.